Okay, just received my caliper via DPD. Before I open it, it's rattling around inside there. Not very well packed. And here, you can see this, it's actually poking out, so hopefully it's not damaged inside there. But we'll open and have a look. So just cut the outer packaging away, and as you can see, the metal caliper, which is in some sort of wrapped up, but it's completely poked through the cardboard box. And the same around this side. So fingers crossed it's all okay in there. Really, I mean, it's a very heavy item. It should have had a good bit of bubble wrap or some extra packaging around it to stop it rolling around inside that box. So actually, it had no padding at all. This, what was wrapped around it, was just thin paper. So literally, just tossed into the box. No padding at all. Absolutely crazy for a heavy item like that. I'm going to try and fit it now, so just it looks okay, but God, very, very poor packaging. This was the bit that was sticking out of the box, look, and as you can see, there is some damage where it's obviously caught other bits and pieces in the back of the van or whatever. Hopefully that won't cause a problem. I'm desperate to fit this, so I've got to try and fit it.